All right, y'all. So my other video got cut off. We're gonna do another example problem. We're still doing point slope form. I wrote down both formulas right over here. So there's formula for point slope form. There's formula for slope. So in order for us to use point slope form, remember we need a point and a slope. They gave us several points, but they didn't give us the slope. So we're gonna have to go through and we're gonna calculate the slope. I'm gonna label everything x1, y1, x2, y2. So then I'm going to come over here to the side this time and we're going to calculate the slope. So we have the slope is going to be y2, which is -3, minus y1, which is 1, all over x2, which is -4, minus x1, which is 4. So -3 minus 1 gives me a -4. Over -4 minus 4 is a -8. We're going to simplify that fraction to a half. So I know that the slope of this problem is a half. Okay, so there's my m. Now I need to identify my y1 and my x1. Well, I did that here. So now we're going to sub it into point slope form. So remember that first y stays. So y minus the value of y1 is 1 equals m, which is a half. That's what we got for our slope. X minus x1, which is 4. Okay, so if it asks for point slope form, we can stop there. We can also take it a step further by distributing so that we can convert it into slope intercept form. Y minus 1 equals a half. X minus a half of 4 is 2. Then I'm going to cancel out this -1 by adding 1. If I do that to one side, I have to come over here and I have to do it to the other side. Those ones cancel. So I have y equals a half x, and then -2 plus 1 is -1. So either form is correct. It just depends on what the problem's asking for. So on the front of your homework, you already have a point and a slope, so you just have to sub it in. You're going to write it in point slope form, and then you're going to convert it on slope intercept form. The back of the homework, it gives you 2 points, so you're going to have to calculate the slope in order for you to use point slope form. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. If you don't have a printer, you can work out these example problems on a sheet of notebook paper and submit your sheet of notebook paper onto Canvas. Be sure you are doing your work at home, guys. I know these are weird times. Email me if you have any questions, okay?